Beware of the cookie monsters, and by cookie monster I mean my children. Hello guys, welcome back to another Bunnie Cakes video. My name is Mariana and today we're making the most delicious vegan chocolate chip cookies. Did you know that chocolate chip cookies were invented by accident? What a happy accident! Back in 1930s, Ruth Wakefield added chocolate chips to her batter thinking they would melt. But instead, she got one of the greatest American inventions. Okay, maybe not the greatest, but one that is so delicious. If you're looking for a vegan cooking recipe, this is the one. At Bunnie Cakes, our main thing is dietary inclusion. So, even if you're not vegan, you can take this anywhere and give them to anyone without worrying about dietary restriction because they're gluten-free, they're vegan, and did I mention they are delicious? Because they are. And the best thing is you don't need any expensive tools. All you need are your hands, a handful of ingredients, and faith in your baking skills. To make these delicious cookies, you will need the following ingredients: 1 cup of gluten-free all-purpose flour, half a cup of sugar, Florida crystals is always my favorite, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of coconut oil, 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a cup of vegan chocolate chips, and 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Set it aside for later. In a mixing bowl, mix with your hands all the ingredients except for the chocolate chips. Don't be afraid and get messy. Once everything is mixed, fold in the vegan chocolate chips and chunks to create the dough. Using an ice cream scoop or a spoon, form dough balls and place them on the prepared baking sheet. Make sure to leave some space in between them. Bake the cookies for 12 to 15 minutes or until the cookies are slightly golden brown on the edges. Remove from the oven and allow to cool. Okay, these are to die for. These cookies can be used in an ice cream sandwich, with coffee, crumbled for toppings. The sky is the limit. Let me know in the comments below if you make them. And if you love this recipe, subscribe to my channel for more fun, delicious vegan recipes. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks so much for watching and see you in the next one.